Nancy. What's that?
Oh.
What do you guys say to Aunt Deneen?
Thank you, Anthony.
You and your very
Abe.
special pearl.
What do you say?
There's a pearl in there.
Aunt Goody.
And we don't know what color it is. Read about
Lily, what do you say?
you open it from the end.
Thank you. We're going to have to have batteries for this.
What do you say?
Oh, thank you.
It's so cool.
Thank you.